Okay, I'm one done. So I really want to doodle. I really want to do some art, like other art, but I'm just like I gotta get this done first. We gotta be productive, and then we can treat ourselves. I just want to like doodle random shit. Imagine telling me we're going to go extreme and then you decorate your mansion for hours. I've lost so much time decorating. You have no idea. You should go visit it. I've opened it up now. It's not fully finished though, but let me know what you think. I'm pretty proud of my work. It's been a pain in the ass to do, but I think it's worth it. So yeah, I still need to finish off the bedroom and the bathroom, I think. But I've currently run out of gill. So actually, I do have a secret million gill hanging around in a mailbox. So I'm like, do I use it? I was gonna not use it. Now I'm like, I could, buy all those rugs and fancy items now. Wait, how much gill do I get for what? You get the honor of witnessing my beautiful house. I don't know what else there is. That should be an honor in and of itself, Drove. Come on. Also, legit though, if you did actually want to do extremes, let me know, like properly, because I can't tell half the time if you're memeing or if you do actually want to do them. Because if you do and you want like someone to help, you just want to be with some other people, let me know. I could potentially like at some point organize with Rose and Co and Crystal to come help as well. But I think if it's just me and you, we are gonna have to party finder people. Oh, how much you'll get for rating your mansion? Yeah, no, it's just your own. We just get to witness your own insight. Also, I'm being 100% honest. Activities on your data center have been constantly off. Wait. What's happened? What's happened? Oh my god, I want to know your chaos experience. I don't know if it's an EU thing or if it's the time that I get on it. Yeah, no, wait, what happened? I need to know. Is it just like toxic people or is just PF or yeah, what do you mean by oh, DBS consistently deals zero damage, every group wipes all the time and mechanics of people. Oh no, that's about right. That's about right. People are usually nice though. It's a much more I'd say laid back server or laid back data center. Also, the fact that you said DPS to zero damage, you're already turning into a toxic raider. It's already happening.